Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Madam Excellence here. If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe, and if you're returning, you are welcome. I'll be showing you how I made this good looking soft fluffy coconut milk bread. Stick around, I'll show you how. So in a clean bowl, put in 2 cups of coconut milk, and then condensed milk 1/4 cup times 2, because we're making 2 pans of bread. If you're making one, just use one. And then put in your eggs. I use 2 large eggs, 2.5 cup of tablespoon of yeast, and then go ahead. At this point, you can add your vanilla extract. I use 2 cups, the little cups of it, just for the aroma and the flavor. That's how I added it. If you can skip it if you don't want it. And then now we go ahead and pour in 6 cups of flour, give it a good stir and mix. Yeah, we gotta mix it thoroughly. And then right ahead, we are going to be adding a cup of melted butter, 1 cup of melted butter. It's unsalted though. And then we're gonna be covering it up and setting it aside in a warm, dark place for about 35 to 40 minutes. It's gonna double in size, and then we'll get it right back. There you go, our bread is doubled in size. So right now we're gonna start kneading our bread, just getting the yeast activated and getting it throughout the bread. And then I sectioned my dough into about 3 or 4 portions. And then you just flatten it and you roll it up like so. Mine, I just have to let it fit, and so you just chop up the ends and then place it neatly into the pan. Our pan is already buttered and oiled. If you like this video so far, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Then we'll set it aside to double again in size for about 20 minutes. And then our egg wash, 1 egg and a little bit of coconut milk. If you run out of coconut milk, that's okay. You can just use egg wash or add a little bit of your regular milk from the fridge. This is just gonna give it a good shine. And then we're gonna throw it in the oven, and there you go. I'm gonna put everything in the description box, all my ingredients, everything. I'm gonna list them out. And there you go. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and share and subscribe. I have other videos, regular bread, how to make regular bread, how to make pancakes, how to make meat pies. Check them out. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye.